Hello everyone, this is Paul with Auto Nucleus, and today I just wanted to cover this email that I received from Mazda. This is in response to the New York Auto Show that's going on today. It's Wednesday, March 28th. They sent this email to me saying, hey, be among the first to hear our big news. And then they send this teaser photo along with it, as well as a ticking down clock. So they're counting down to their special event that's going on at 3:30 today, where they're going to reveal what this new vehicle is. To me, it looks like the new Mazda 3, which is what I'm hoping for, but you never know. Additional details, they just say, hey Paul, check this out, add it to your calendar and make sure you don't miss it. If you click on the add to calendar, they actually give you a link, but I'll go ahead and show you where that link goes to. It leads to this page where they'll be live streaming. It's a Ustream website, so I'll go ahead and put the link to this Ustream in the link in the description below of this video, so that you can join along as well if you're interested. Again, that takes place at 3:30 Eastern Standard Time for those of you who can make it or watch at work. I know you guys do that. Also, if you haven't already seen, Mazda has posted up details about the new 2018 Mazda 6 on their website. So you can go ahead, see all the specifications for each trim level. They have 5 trim levels now. See, the Sport, Touring, Grand Touring, Grand Touring Reserve, and Signature. So if you're interested in those, go ahead and check those out as well. But again, just want to make a quick video to let you know about the Mazda live event that's going on today at 3:30 in case you haven't seen that already. Again, this is Paul with Auto Nucleus. God bless and drive safe, everyone.